Na VTFM Ouch Palangi, Vito Kodikina o Bunges, proud sponsors of the Fijian Rua, KPSP, unsecured personal loan.
Benar kan pada naturan nama turun mana leo Vito kan matang di kota bising di kuah sali kakamura di VTFM and nabukin nonton Ouch Palangi show.
Iya, nimbul belaka to each and everyone joining this morning. Good morning to every viewers who are being part of this live system this morning. We would like to thank you for the show this morning. It's very one donate to Bimbi. Very kaya na ngonibuli to all the students who have been close the school close yesterday from the Northern Division, from Bonolewu, Obalau, and the Western Division. All schools open today.
Okay, bukan tak
Sa andola kaya na bikuribuli singa dikuwa, ngora bikuribuli asonga na singa na no may na boliku, ni nonda banua, ngome Bonolewu raramba. Butali kena main na ele no buat orang ambil Obalau, peki muni kanta main sebagara.
Your face is not showing.
Okay. Kena bikurni buli ken sara. Ara songa na sina no sa andola kaya na singa dikuwa. Karto sabi bandita kena na bali silis ni tambana ni taman ni buli.
Dormo mana hey.
Iya.
Bara, namanya teman tapi na lubi bitara siapa cuma di besi berurai.
Thank you to everybody who are joining from the outer islands of Fiji, from the big countries for joining this morning. Even though we are not facing in front of others, looking on our naked eye, we are seeing each other through the Facebook.
Buana na. Ya, kira mana sih bikin mana lagi kira, nasi macam mana bitolong di sana, mata di bingkaran di kuah. Na usus sumber na bi tosyakin na na bitolong di sana.